In this video, you'll learn how people might use AR in their daily lives. As you learned in the video, what is AR? It's all around us. For the general user and consumer, the bulk of AR is experienced on mobile devices. AR is more than filters on Instagram. It's information, entertainment, culture, and purposeful meaning all at the same time. It can make you and the world around you seem more interesting and beautiful. And it offers consumers a platform to share and co-create new content with the original creators. For example, different types of AR experiences can enable us to check out how you look in an outfit without even trying it on. That's what a popular boot and shoe retailer is doing with the use of interactive mirrors supported by AR technology. For golfers or baseball players, AR can help you improve your game by analyzing your swing, launch angle, and velocity. AR also allows you to see the storm coming in on the weather radar. Or it gives you those helpful directional arrows and locational information on your mobile maps when you're navigating. In the business realm, AR can provide relevant, contextual information to help with more efficient workflows. For example, inventory management in stores and warehouses can use AR to help determine quantities of products and what's in stock, resulting in faster movement to store shelves, ultimately giving customers a better experience. Engineering and architecture domains can also use AR to visualize, design, and iterate what buildings will look like at a specific location, resulting in cost savings and more efficient building processes. In the medical field, AR can help surgeons study a patient's anatomy before performing surgery and allows for virtual collaboration between physicians. It can also help medical students practice procedures before performing them on real patients. In the developer space, AR is very approachable. For example, people who come from an influencer background can learn the basics of AR and use their creativity and/or production skills to implement ideas. Hardcore programming and development experience isn't required. And while creativity is important, it's not a necessity. AR truly opens doors to all levels of developers and affords the opportunity to be part of the front wave of development and defining of the future.